See that thumb now? This one? As you pull it down, think of throwing that at the floor.
Oh, like a whip?
Yeah, to make sure, yeah, that's right. To make sure you bring your hands all the way down.
Yep.
Okay? That's
I can't really feel it pull anymore.
right, pulling against you.
Yeah. There we go.
Alright, well, there you go. Straight and keep your head up. Ideally, keep your eyes sort of around the room. Don't get into the habit of looking at the floor.
I can feel it.
That's it. It's not rush, it's not rush. See how far the bell will go up before you pull it down again. Keep the rope tight. So there's not a rush to get it back down. We'll take our time. Control of that. That's more likely. Hands together. So let go on as far as it wants to go, but let's get a bit of a feel for it. Catch it in the place you did before. Catch it right, not too high. Still a bit high. Still a bit high. Still a bit high. No, it's not. So it's not a race to get it back down. We want to get it to the balance point and back together. Pull it down and I'll catch the saddle, right?
Okay, 3.
Right, off we go then. Down it comes, now you've got your hand out.
Oh,
You
yeah.
put your hand on the wrong side, okay? Hang it, they're on the right, you're together there and they're the right way round, so keep them that way, okay? I've got it. That's alright, okay? Good. We'll just do a few more like that, just, there you go. Okay. Ropes around the wrong side. No, try. Okay, try again. Okay, we did one. Okay. Okay, we'll see how we'll try and keep going now for a bit, alright? Alright, we'll say about 5 or 6, we won't go too mad.
Yeah.
Okay, go on then. Actual.
Oh, yeah. Hit stuck there.
Oh, got too quick. Oh, so, I've got it again. Right?
Yeah.
You did 2 or 3 very good ones there.
I mean, you don't
I think,
Just
yeah.
yeah. That's where you should.
I slowed down.
Yeah, well done.
Yeah.